Good day, everybody. Thank you for allowing us to present our project entitled Sustainable BIM-Based Evaluation for Infrastructure Project Implementation. I am Engineer Divina Gonzalez, the Civil Engineering Program Coordinator from Mapua University, and we really believe that the adoption of BIM process in the construction industry will be a strong boost to our economy, especially during this day of golden age of infrastructure. The Philippine construction industry is currently experiencing growth exponentially, and what is good about it is that it is now made transparent through the DPWH website. This includes, but not limited to, plans and programs, the design process, the bidding process, and even the procurement process. Today, there are more than 10,000 government buildings all over the entire country. Prolonging the infrastructure lives and safety of their usage is our utmost responsibility. We need to support the Build program of the government to usher the golden age of infrastructure and the construction industry roadmap on digitalizing the construction industry. Shown here is the traditional way of the delivery of design. We used to deliver the design in 2D CAD files, but nowadays we are trying to shift from 2D to 3D models. But in order to be globally competitive, we need to have a paradigm shift from the old CAD files of presenting our design plan to the revolutionary way, and that is the BIM way. 4D actually helps in the planning and scheduling of the day-to-day work to be done, scheduling of the manpower allocation, and even determining what and when our equipments will be needed. Benefits of 5D BIM model: real-time cost visualization with notification on changes in cost, automatic count for components, systems, equipment associated with a project, simplified cost analysis and budgetary analysis with predicted and actual spends over time, minimization of budgetary offshoot due to regular cost reporting and budgeting. 6D models helps generally in the analysis of energy consumption. 7D models has the primary goal of ensuring the smooth and trouble-free facility management. Shown in this slide is our project goal. 1. The 7D BIM model for the Science Heritage Building, 7D BIM model for the Laboratory Testing Facility, and 5 BIM model for the DOST building, and another 5 BIM model for the DepEd school building, which is just a proposed building. Then, roadmap of the BIM in the Philippines and the conduct of training to identified personnel. This next slide is an excerpt from Singapore's BIM roadmap. Shown are the 5 strategic thrusts they need in order to go BIM roadmap. First is strategic thrust, public sectors taking the lead. Second, regulatory approvals. Third, removing impediments. Fourth, building BIM capacity and capability. And 5, incentivizing BIM adopters. Because of this, they were able to face the challenges. 1. Lack of demand for BIM. 2. Entrenched in the current 2D drafting practices. 3. Lack of ready pool of skilled BIM manpower. And 4th, additional resources needed to build up to the BIM expertise. This shows that we do not need to reinvent the wheels. We just have to reinforce it. Comparing the civil engineerings with the car manufacturers, for the car manufacturers, they can create car prototype before mass production. But for us civil engineers, with buildings, we cannot do this. We just have to do it right the first time. Thank you very much for listening, and good day, everybody.